Carom board 4 feet and 4 feet square has the queen at the center. The queen is hit by the striker to the front edge and rebounds and goes in the hole behind the striking line. Find the magnitude of the displacement of the queen A from the center to front edge, B from the front edge to the hole, and C from the center to the hole. Let's consider this as a carom board, 4 feet, 4 feet. The square, so side length is equal. Let us take the queen is at point O, then striker strikes this queen, it moves to front edge means this, then hits the front edge, and then the reverse comes to this part of the hole. He is asking from the center to front edge, from center O to front edge, the displacement. Number 1 question. Number 2 question, from the front edge to hole. From front edge to hole, what is the displacement? Number 2 question. Number C, from the center to hole. From center to hole. These are all questions. So it is at the middle. So this distance will be 2 feet. And this distance will also be 2 feet. We say this has a x, then remaining distance will be 2 minus x. Then if you say this has a x, then this will also be x. If you say this has x, will also be, sorry, this has a 2 minus x, this will also be 2 minus x. So here, one important thing we have to note down is whatever the angle, if it strikes the front edge, it reflects back with the same angle, okay, according to laws of reflection. So angle of incidence will be same as angle of reflection. So that is why we have taken theta and also here also theta. So first part of the question we have to find out OA. OA. In order to find out OA, in this right angle triangle, OA square is equal to, is a right angle triangle, apply Pythagoras theorem, OA square is equal to height square plus base square. So square root of OA square is equal to 2 square plus x square. Then OA is equal to square root of 2 square plus x square. Okay. First part of the question is find out OA. If you know x only, we can find out OA. If you know x, we can find out OA. So to find out x, we are taking this rule, laws of reflection. How much angle it incidents, the same angle it gets reflected. So let us take this as a normal perpendicular line. Then let us consider this as a C point, O point, A point, O point. In this OAC triangle, you apply tan theta. Apply tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by base. Opposite by base. OC by AC. So OC is X, OC is X and AC is 2. So I have written and I have applied. The next, another triangle ADB, another right angle triangle ADB. Apply tan theta again. Tan theta is equal to opposite by base. 2 minus x by AD. That is 2 minus x by 4. So these two equations, left side you see tan theta only. So right side will also be equal. Okay. So x by 2 is equal to 2 minus x by 4. And if you simplify this, you will get x as 2 by 3. To simplify, you will get x as 2 by 3. And that x you substitute here, you will get the answer for OA. So if you substitute square root of 2 square plus 2 by 3 whole square, which is 4 plus 4 by 9 square root, and which is if you simplify 40 by 9, and which is equal to 4 into 10, you can write 40 and 9 as it is. Root 4 by 9 is nothing but 2 by 3 and root 10 as it is. So root 10. 2 by 3 root 10 is the displacement of the queen from the front edge. That is OA. Second part of the question is front edge to hole displacement. AB you have to find out. In triangle ADB, AB is equal to square root of AD square plus BD square. And BD is nothing but 2 minus x. You got x as 2 by 3. So 2 minus 2 by 3 which is equal to 4 by 3 feet. And AD has 4 feet. And if you substitute these two values here AB, then and you simplify, you will be getting it as square root of 160 by 9 or 4 by 3 root 10 feet. Third part of the question is from center to hole displacement, that is OB you have to find out. Let us frame a right angle triangle OEB. Then according to Pythagoras theorem, OB is equal to square root of OE square plus EB square. OE is also 2, EB is also 2. So if you substitute square root of 2 square plus 2 square, that is square root of 8 or 2 root feet.